Okay, first of all, thank you. And why don't you start out by introducing yourself and telling us a little about this particular vehicle?
Okay. My name is Billy Coburn, and I live in Denison, Texas. And this 55 Chevy belonged to my sister and brother-in-law. I purchased it from them, and we decided to bring it here to get it fixed up.
It's a gorgeous car. I love the paint. It's, the style of the car. So why did you choose Texoma Classics?
Well, I really didn't know anyone that worked on old cars, so we had gone to a couple of places in Denison, and this is where they sent us to.
So they referred you
Yeah.
to us.
Yes.
That's great. Word of mouth is fantastic. How was your experience during the restoration process?
It was good. Ed kept me in the loop of what was going on, sent those emails to me all the time, and if something new was coming up, he'd always give me a call, an email or a text or something, so I could say yay or nay if that's what I wanted done.
That's fabulous. Do you think that any of the problems or concerns or challenges that there were with the vehicle, do you think that we handled them very well?
Oh, I think he handled it all very well, because I didn't know exactly what the vehicle was going to need when I got it, so I figured just let y'all tell us, and it's been good. It's been a good experience.
And you actually have more than one car with us right now, don't you?
Yes, I have this one, and then I have a 55 Chevy 210.
Yeah, that's a nice car too. And I notice you're keeping that one pretty original.
Yes, yes.
It's a beautiful car. So how do you feel about the sedan delivery now? What do you think about the work that was done, and how do you feel about the car now?
Great. It looks good. I've heard the engine run. I'm going to take it for a test drive here in a minute, but just excited to get it back.
You know, I hear that engine run every day. It sounds so good all the way back in the offices. So I'm guessing then that you would recommend Texoma Classic to
Sure.
people you know.
I would recommend it to anybody that had an older car they want to get fixed up. Bring it here.
That's great. That's fantastic. And we appreciate that a great deal. Well, thank you for taking the time to do this, and we're looking forward to working with you on your other cars as well.
Okay. Thank you.
All righty. Okay.
Good job. Good job.
Thank you so much. I
Okay, so we're
appreciate
going
it.
to go ahead and take it for a little ride now.